Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 4 of 10. CRM. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. CRM is how you hunt work before it is a sales order. A lead is a name, a company, a phone number, a hint. You qualify it. An opportunity is a deal in a pipeline. Expected revenue, expected closing date, stage. Activities are the next call, the next email, the next meeting. If the next action is empty, the deal is asleep. One does not mean invoiced. One means create a quotation in sales on the same contact. Open CRM and you see the pipeline. Drag a card to the next stage. Open calendar for meetings. Contacts still holds the partner. Reporting in CRM is about conversion, not about stock. If you are a one-person shop taking walk-in orders, you may live in sales only. If two people share a territory, CRM stops deals from falling on the floor. Only CRM, contacts, and calendar are on for this episode. The pipeline is opportunities and stages. This is hunting, not invoicing. Calendar holds the meetings you promised on the opportunity. Takeaways. Qualify leads. Put a next activity on every opportunity. Win in CRM, quote in sales. When a deal is won, you do not invoice from CRM. Watch Episode 5 next. Sales. Quotation to order. That is the document the warehouse and invoicing will follow. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.